How do we write the subjects and the objects for topic sentences? To make sure we all know about this, I sum them up in points. 1. Topic sentence subjects are the same ideal concepts from controlling ideas of the thesis statement. 2. Topic sentence objects are the new words to represent examples in next level. 3. So objects are not any ideas inherited from the above level. They are actually the names that generalize all examples in that paragraph. 4. These examples of the factual evidence will support their subjects, which are upper level. By these points, the ideas ended at the subjects of topic sentences. 6. These facts are provided as the proofs for all ideas you believe in. 7. The whole essay is a two-way support: ideas versus facts, claim versus proofs, or defense, and beliefs versus evidences. Since the objects of the topic sentence are the next level of the subjects, the meaning should be narrower than the subjects. Of course, it depends on your language capacity. It is not mandatory, but it's more official way and direct. In one of our next few courses to come, we will focus on lexicon knowledge, grammatical range of accuracy, and a variety of sentence structures, vocabulary, and so on. In this way, the objects always supports the subjects from a few angles at different sizes.